Air1 Air Auto Replay. Got the hydraulic lines for the convertible topper in. They were rebuilt by Top Hydraulics. I'll put a link. See, I'll go ahead and find the link. But here's one of them. I mean, they come in a superb packaging. Here's their car. They're out in Oregon. I sent them to them. They had it back within like a couple weeks, even doing this shutdown. So not bad, good price, you know. So the best thing to do would be to buy SLK or CLK. I don't know about the CLKs. I don't like the soft tops, but the hard tops are good. And you know, something that was low miles that the top didn't work. You probably spend about, you know, maybe about 7-8 hours. You've never done this before. You know, put about $300-400 into it and have a good low mileage car where the top works, you know. And there are videos on how to do it. My daughter over here. Here I got the left side trunk cylinder. I mean, they do a good job of wrapping everything up. They rebuild the seals in the cylinder better than OEM. I have all my pieces here. I'm probably gonna end up cleaning all this out. That's everything to put everything back together. Alright, got this cylinder, and it's hard to see, but there's like a little ball cable that goes down there. Gotta just reroute all the lines back in. Got all that coming out here. It's gonna get it done. It's good I still have these cut zip ties, so I know which way to route the line, and starting to route it all the way back up here. Alright, got the main cylinders in. That side. Hydraulic lines running. All right there. And tighten up some of this so far. This side's on. I need to find this clip over here. But these all installed down there. Working on getting this cylinder in here for the middle of the front of the hardtop. Get these lines run, and then we can actually put in the switch and start testing this out. Like that. That's what you're supposed to do. You taking 10,000 pictures of the video.
I'm not. I'm taking pictures.
Okay, well, I'm trying to get this line in here, and I gotta get it right in the right way. So that's what I'm working on. Everybody.
Hey, I can see you.
They waiting on me to talk? How you know that?
Because everyone's trying to wait, talking.
They trying to listen?
You gotta listen to me.
Okay, I'm listening. Here, I got the lines ran. I just gotta get this one little back piece on, which I'm working on now.
On?
Yeah, I gotta get this back piece on here.
On here?
Back here.
Here?
I'm trying to do it like that.
Oh, now we gotta do now.
And then we're gonna zip tie that to it.
Zip tie that to it.
Okay, let's see if I can get. I'm gonna have to open this top up.
Wow! Dad says, hey boy, Dad says you're gonna zip tie out.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and zip tie this one on there.
It says down that one, everybody.
This one's done. Well, got the last line, everything tied in. I gotta go find a relay off of the parts car, and when it got some fluid put in here too, it's gonna probably cycle through a bunch of that, but at least we get it going. And my little helper was supposed to be helping me out right here, videotaping. Say hi. No? Okay.